name is Riyasana Salam, a psychologist working in Realized Rehabilitation Center, RRC, Mongzam. Well, substance abuse is a serious problem that affects individuals, families, and communities. While there are many causes of substance abuse, one of the most important and often overlooked factor is the role of the family. Family dynamic play a major role in both the development and progressions of substance abuse. Kamaina family dynamics na miyoy aman na mayay kawan isa sizinarappada contribute toge haibadu mayam khangminasi. Ahanbada dysfunction family relationship. Khatna chainaba funaba toyna thokanba imungda natraga angang adubu neglect tawbirakpa or mama mapana over control tawba angang singda trauma natraga stress layrakpa matamda coping mechanism oina moina mayay kawan isa sizinarappa. Ahanbada dysfunction family relationship. Khatna chainaba funaba toyna thokanba imungda natraga angang adubu neglect tawbirakpa or mama mapana over control tawba angang singda trauma natraga stress layrakpa matamda coping mechanism oina moina mayay kawan isa sizinarappa. Anishubada parental substance abuse. Mapa natraga mama na mayay kawan isa sizinaba. Makata ba ngang sindi mathag thongbagi mataw tamba haibasigi mahusani imungdugi ahal singna nisa sizinaba angang singna mataw amuk tamagpa moina sigi behavior sa yam normal oino lawrakpa aduna moishu nisa sizinaba hawrakpa. Criticism and judgment. Anghang singda moina apambado fundok na bagi tanja pibidaba sima pami haiba matamda negative comment pibiba afafata tanabidaba moina ngame matagum yade tawba yaroi haibasina mangthaba sina moi maram oiraga moigi self esteem se low oirakpa aduna moigi coping mechanism oina nisa sizinarappa sisisu oithokpa yai. Lack of boundaries. Boundaries set tawraktaba mama mapa oibasingna machana piyo hairkai piba sina unintentionally encourage risky behavior towards their children. Mga subada role confusion and parentification. Imungdugi angang singna ahal na lawgadaba responsibility lawrakpa especially nishada laichuraba parents layba imungda sina maram oiraga moidasu stress layrakpa moy coping mechanism se nisa haibadi substance se sida dum tarakpa. Aroibada lack of emotional support. Angang sing natraga imung manunggi members sing emotionally disconnected oirakpa amaga wari share tawnaраktaba apapata tanaraktaba sisina maram oiraga moyi nungaifam se nisado oina tarakpa sisewigali. Aduna isa natraga adongi kanagumbi nagna loinaba miyoida mayay kaban isa sizinaba yaurabadi ekoida pau faubirau mating soidana pangzage and we believe recovery is always possible.